I am Lenroy James, Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Land, Environment and Climate Change. All I want for Christmas is to see Jamaica become an environmentally sound and viable country. Under our next PNP government, we will go further than just having a natural disaster bond, which really only comes into effect after everyone has been devastated. But we will focus on mitigation matters and mitigation issues that will benefit all of Jamaicans. Under the PNP government, we will take serious steps to ensure that renewables are accessible to a wider cross-section of Jamaicans, which will allow for persons to see immediate savings in their businesses and in their homes on their utility bills. We hear talk about nuclear power being used. However, we do have some serious concerns about safety, security, and the environment as it relates to that. And we believe that greater emphasis should be placed on renewables. As a country, we can even develop the sector to a point where we can start to design, manufacture, and distribute renewable energy solutions across the region. Merry Christmas and a powerful 2024.